Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about adverbs of frequency and time. These special words help us describe how often or when something happens. For example, I always eat breakfast. I sometimes go to the park. I will visit my grandma next week. Let's break it down together. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often we do something. Let's look at some examples. Always happens all the time. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Often happens many times. I often read books before bed. Sometimes happens now and then. I sometimes eat pizza for dinner. Rarely happens not very often. I rarely wake up late. Never doesn't happen at all. I never forget my homework. What about you? What do you always, often, or sometimes do? Think about it. Now, let's talk about adverbs of time. These words tell us when something happens. Let's look at a few examples. Today, happening right now or later today. I have a math test today. Tomorrow, happening the next day. Tomorrow, I will go to the zoo. Next week, happening in the following week. Next week, we are going on a school trip. Next year, happening in the following year. Next year, I will learn how to swim. Now, let's practice. Can you tell me something you will do tomorrow or next week? Think about it. Great job, everyone. Today, we learned adverbs of frequency, how often something happens, always, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Adverbs of time, when something happens, today, tomorrow, next week, next year. Now, it's your turn. Try using these words in a sentence today. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Bye.